Okay, neighbors and YouTubers, I got a 2016 Range Rover Sport SVR, and it's one of my neighbors, and it's here for an oil change. So oil change on this cars are basically done through siphoning from top. You're gonna need a large capacity oil pump or recovery, sorry, and then you have a little nipple right here you attach your fitting to, and you basically pump. And you can see the oil coming out to the recovery tank. You basically have to make sure you get about 7 quarts out of there, or 7.5. However, book recommends 6.5. So I'm just gonna wait and see how much oil actually comes out of it completely, and then replace it with the exact same amount. You do have to change oil filter, which I'm gonna get to next. So right now we got around a little over 7 liters. I think it's 8 liters. I do have a air hose attachment. I don't want to do that to this. I just don't want to make a mess near this car for any reason. It's a clean car, and I want to respect the customer's vehicle. So as you can see, the oil is being drawn out. We'll see when it stops. I don't know if you can hear it, but it looks like we're retrieving nothing, just air. Let's try it again. Nothing's coming out. It's empty. As you can see, the hose is clear, and there's actually nothing in there. So it's done. It's time to disconnect. So what I do is I attach just a little towel here. We don't want to make a mess on this car. Disconnect my line. Pick it up with the napkin, hold it in place like that, and we're done. It's clean. Next I'm going to change the filter. So he wanted Castrol Edge. That's what we're putting in. Now it's time to remove the oil filter, which is right here. I've loosened it with the fitting, but I don't want to dirty the cap. Looks like a clean cap. So let's keep it clean. Get open slowly. There we go. Okay, finally it's loose. Again, I'm just gonna lay any towel next to this cap, if in case I got any spill. As you can tell, the customer has taken care of his car rather nice, so we should do the same. So there we spilled. Okay, that's it. You just pull the filter out and add a new one. When you pull the filter out, it looks just like that. I gotta clean it up with a towel. Here's a new filter in place, clips in, and you just drop it in and tighten it. That's all. Here's time for new oil. The right way to add oil is you gotta pour like this. You don't want to pour the other way, because then you get airtight trapped and you get yourself a oil that's kind of making a mess. Doesn't come out correctly, so here we are. We're going to add 7.5 quarts in here. Don't rush it. You don't want oil piling up in the funnel, even though that's what funnel is not. most of us do pilot oil in the funnel, it actually increases the weight around the funnel, and it causes it to tip, and there's your mess. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep adding, level it off, and next one I think I'll check, see if it has any oil change warning light, and try to reset that for him. So now I gotta put the cover back on. And one thing is important here is when you complete a job, you want to make sure you don't have any oily hands print on the cover or any part of the vehicle for your customer. So if the car comes out nice and clean, I respect it, everyone should. And if there is any print, please clean it up. That's what I do. So the oil change is complete. Next thing we need to do is reset the oil service light. To do that, you gotta open the hood, leave the hood open. You gotta open your driver's side door. Got it? Get in the car. Well, I have some covers on. I don't want to dirty customer's car. Okay, so I'll tell you step. First, you open the hood, open the driver's side door, turn the ignition switch on, and as soon as you turn the ignition switch on, you have to hold your accelerator pedal and the brake pedal together for, I hold it for a minute. Sometimes it doesn't work at 30 seconds. Hold it for literally a minute, and it should reset your service light. Like that. Hold the pedals. I just count. Sorry about the boring thing, but excuse me. You have to literally hold for a minute. Now let go of your brake pedals, and now we go through menu. You have to click all these off. Go to the Land Rover menu here. So the oil service light should actually say 0 when it has not been serviced or reset. Once it's reset, then it gives you the mileage available. So we're going back to next service. Let's see, so it is showing it's been reset, and we got 16,150 miles to go before the oil has to be changed again. And that is how you reset your oil service light on 2016 Range Rover Sport when you change your oil. Well, thank you for watching.